is truly holding silver back? Is it a stronger dollar? Is it weaker industrial demand? Is it profit taking? And I have some massive news about the government takeover of gold and silver in Oklahoma. We're going to talk about that on this morning's Gold and Silver Updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. We made it to Friday finally. You know, I tried to fool you a little bit yesterday, but I'm off today. So, hey, happy Friday. Big news that hit my mailbox yesterday, guys. We're going to talk about that this morning. We're going to talk about what is going on with our silver and gold prices, what's pulling them back, what's holding them steady right now, everybody. We've got silver just above the floor, the floor predictions of $81 an ounce. It did drop down a little bit below 81 yesterday, but it held in the 81, 82. I did see 84 last night. What is pulling it back? Every time, guys, that our market opens up in the United States, silver drops. So we're going to talk about that this morning. What's holding it back? We're going to talk about this big news with Oklahoma, guys, that you got to hear about. But first, before we get started, I want to say thank you from my living room to your living room, everybody. This channel is growing leaps and bounds. You're watching these videos through. We're defeating that algorithm, guys. So let's defeat it on this one. And the algorithm is really weird. Just when I think I can figure it out, I don't have it figured out. What I have figured out is if you watch these videos through and you hit the like and subscribe button, that pushes the algorithm. The views are great. The algorithm looks at watch time and average view duration. If you watch them through, you click on the video and you watch them through, it pushes it to more people. So that's kind of a nutshell on how it works. But anyway, I'm the quarterback. You're the team, guys. We're holding strong on the 10-yard line on defense. The offense is trying to score right now, and that would be, the bad guys. So we're holding strong, and we appreciate you all over the world, all over the United States, guys. Hey, check it out. Going over to Ravenhawk Coins. Or actually, we're going to Flying Eagle Coins and seeing Ravenhawk and Stephanie over there this morning. Get to meet Stephanie, taking some stuff to Raven to have him check it out. We got a lot of great coin shops in Oklahoma. If you're in Oklahoma, go check them out. Rich and El Reno Coin. We got Ray in Midwest City at Precious Metals. And anyway, great guy over there too. Guys, lots of good coin shops in Oklahoma. So if you're in Oklahoma, come check them out and check out our Oklahoma channels, Thompson Coin and Stamp, Ravenhawk Coins. We've got Sober Stacker, another great guy. So check them out, everybody. But man, let's get to the big news right now about what happened in Oklahoma. Then we'll go over to our gold and silver price updates. We're drinking coffee. It's Friday. I don't have to work. Big plans. Also Saturday, if all you Oklahoma folks here in Oklahoma City area, got a big gun show going on over there. And I will be there with Joe's Gold and Silver. Hopefully I get to meet some of you and talk with you about gold, silver, guns, all that good stuff, self-defense, cool stuff. So Joe's Gold and Silver at the Goldback booth. Booth. Typical ADHD SSC, guys. So let's talk about what I received in the mail yesterday that absolutely floored me. It floored me, guys. Let's talk about it. So, I get home yesterday from a rough day at work, and Mrs. SSC, guys, she comes in and she hands me this right here. And I'm thinking, oh, great. What's going on? Some legal thing or something. And guys, when I read this, I was floored. Absolutely floored. almost angered to the point of angry. Our governments, guys, our governments are absolutely corrupted. They want control over everything. And it's not just in the United States. It's all over the world, guys. We're corrupt. We're in the end times, I believe. They're trying to take everything we own, have control over everything we own in this country. And it's getting ridiculous. This is from Oklahoma, guys. This is what Oklahoma is trying to do. And I'm going to read it to you this morning. It says, "Dear Oklahoma gold and silver investor." And this comes from a big metals company that keeps an eye on all this stuff. In a shocking move, the Oklahoma House has preliminary approved a partial government takeover of gold and silver in Oklahoma. What? Are you kidding me? They have 3 different House bills that have to be stopped. They're going to, obviously spawn a big government scheme that gives Oklahoma bureaucratic power to manage, oversee, and control the purchase, sale, and storage of gold and silver by Oklahoma citizens. You're crazy. This is not going to happen. I'm telling our politicians right now on this channel, if you're watching, you better stop this, folks. You better stop this. We're the ones that work hard for our money, invest our money. You're not protecting our retirement. You're doing nothing. So huge news. Oklahoma trying to come in and take over and control our silver and gold purchases, control where it's stored. Ain't going to happen with SSC, guys. I promise you. You won't even know that I have it. So that being said, guys, that's my rant this morning. And guys, in Oklahoma, if you don't know about this, start calling your senators. Give them phone calls. Get a hold of people. Write them. Call them. Whatever you got to do. And you throw a fit, everybody. They are already in the works on this right now, saying basically, I think we're going to get this passed. No, if you get it passed, you won't know who's got gold and silver. Trust me. That's what I'm saying to you. You can throw me in jail. I don't care. You're not stealing my rights. They're taking our rights from us, everybody. So that being said, again, let's get over to some positive news. Gold and silver is always positive. We're always on the green light with it. Buy in the dip when prices are low and hold in the high. So hold your silver and even hold your gold and hold your silver and gold when prices are even lower. Sometimes you have to get ahead of the game. So gold this morning, everybody, 5,080, 90. It is only up. It's only up 60 cents an ounce. It's actually now just changed it down 10 cents an ounce. So it's funny how when things start to get rolling early in the morning, especially in the United States, things start changing. It's funny how things start dropping. Overnight, silver and gold were up a little bit yesterday. So not now. At silver, we're at 82.47. But guys, it's positive. We're still way up for the year. 82.47, guys, is still a fantastic number. No, it's not our 100. No, it's not 120. No, it's not 95. But still a great number. If you've been holding silver for a long time, it's phenomenal. You've already made tremendous amount of money. And don't forget, guys, we're going to check out some numismatic coins, some world coins at the end of this video, as we've been doing every morning. Platinum 21.17, down $1, and palladium 16.13, down $5. So 11,100 on rhodium, guys. Let's look at the Hong Kong markets and the Mumbai markets and the London markets. So everybody's kind of pulled back just a little bit, but Hong Kong is at 51.28.40 and 83.70 on silver. Gosh, Mumbai is almost always the same, 51.28.25 and 84.19 on silver, so a little bit higher. In London, UK, you're at 5,089.25 and 83.12 on silver. So let's take a look at the GSR that we didn't talk about yesterday. The GSR shows gold actually holding a little bit of an edge on silver today. I actually was thinking about maybe trading some silver for some gold today, but I talked myself out of it. I'm going to keep my silver, everybody. 61.63. And if I were going to trade some silver for gold, I would probably wait till it was 40 to 1. So it's still really good. I mean, compared to what it was at one time, 110 to 1, crazy, you know. And I did some gold swapping and got a whole bunch of silver. So gold backs, guys, you know, one of my favorites now, $10.15 exchange rate. Follow the gold market. It is down because they follow the gold market. But gold backs, if you haven't looked at them, go check them out. Great thing. I did a little bit of a deal last night with about 10 folks, and we talked about gold and silver. Had a little learning lesson with them, and hopefully they get into some silver and buy some gold and buy some silver. So that's what we're all about. We're trying to get all the youth in this, and even the old folks like us, we're trying to get them in it if they've never done it, with their money just sitting in the bank, not making anything, everybody. So let's move on to our base metals. Base metals, 579 copper. It's down just a little bit. 775 on nickel and $1.50 on aluminum. And we'll stick with that, guys. I went over to, where is it at here? We went over to the China Shanghai silver market right now. Guys, they're considerably higher than we are. They're at 96.30. And they do hold their premiums, from what I understand, in the spot price. So that's going to push it up a little bit. But hey, guys, I still think we should just go to a base metal, physical metal spot price, not, you know, all this other malarkey with paper. Paper is killing us, guys. Every time we open up in the United States, our silver drops. Let's hope today that our silver goes up. It is Friday. There's always big things that go on Fridays and Mondays usually. So let's keep a watch on it this morning. And yeah, 96.30 in Shanghai, guys. The COMEX right now shows 83.22, 82.38 now. So we had to refresh that a little bit. But once all these folks open up, guys, who knows what's going to happen with these silver and gold prices. What I believe is happening right now is we're actually have a stronger U.S. dollar, everybody. So when the U.S. dollar gets stronger, people tend to shy away from gold and silver as a safe haven because, you know, they got other things they can invest in. So, but the U.S. dollar is stronger. And some big things that I have learned is that China is looking into alternative metals or alternative ways other than silver in their industrial sector. So when you have news like that, it could just be speculation. You know, they could just be talking about it and everybody gets nervous and then they turn away. So they go, oh no, you know, we're going to drive the price down. So that could be another thing driving the prices down. But guys, I read up some stuff yesterday, and I believe about 90% of what is going on in this world, and we should be up, guys, because of what all the tensions that are going on all over the world, we should be up in price. But I think about 90% of it is the paper market. The paper market manipulation, even though much of it is legal, is absolutely murdering gold and silver, just murdering it. And people are getting wealthy from it, and that's okay. I mean, this is a free country. Most of us are a free world, but But the manipulators in the paper market are killing gold and silver right now. We should be up, everybody. We should be up, 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 up. And guys, don't panic because it's going to go up. This is a temporary thing. Silver's too bullish. Gold's too bullish. It's going to go up. We're still way, way up for a 365-day period, guys. Silver and gold are just absolutely performing fantastically. So don't forget that. Some of us bought $100 silver. Some of us bought $10 silver. Some of us bought $30 silver. Either way, hold it. It's still a hedge, guys. It's better than a savings account. We all need fiat money, but it's better than a savings account. So we're going to go over it one more time, see what our gold and silver is, and then we're going to show some numismatic coins. Because we do that, it usually makes these videos a little bit longer. So we'd appreciate if you watch them through. If you don't want to watch the numismatics and just want to watch the updates, that's okay too. You're the team, guys. You're the team. So moving back, gold is at 5,087.10. It's up 680 now. So we're showing a little bit more strength there. But it it just does this. Silver and gold. Just volatile stuff right now, guys. 82.49 on silver, up 35 cents. That's almost normal for silver, guys. 35 cents, 25 cents, not $5, $10, down $10. You know, but we're in different times today, guys. Different times. So 21.17 on platinum, down $1, and on palladium 16.12, down $6. Rhodium, guys, everybody's the same. It's the same as it was yesterday, 11,100. Bitcoin, everybody's favorite, guys, is down $2,000 to 70,480. So that being said, happy Friday, guys. Let's check out some old world coins, some numismatics, and don't forget about Super Copper Sunday. Don't forget tomorrow, we've got the gun show at the Goldback booth with Joe's Gold and Silver, and going to see Raven this morning. Probably won't film, but if we do, you'll find out. So anyway, SSC, let's check it out. So let's check out some old world coins, guys. Before we get started, I did get my quarter in. I've been picking up some quarters, like we're doing one dime at a time. We're doing a quarter at a time. This is 64, 90% quarter. Nice quarter, guys. And so we're going to add that to our stack. You know, this is a alternative way to stacking, everybody. You can get this kind of stuff relatively inexpensive, along with dimes, Mercury dimes, Roosevelt dimes, pre-6, 64 and under. And, you know, it's a good way to stack a little bit at a time, you know, because silver and gold's so expensive right now. This kind of stuff is a good way to stack. We got one dime at a time, and we got our quarters right here. We'll put that with it. And before you know it, you've got ounces of silver. So it takes 14 Mercury dimes to make 1 ounce, and I think about 5 of the 90% quarters to make a 1 ounce of silver. So I'm not 100%, but I think that's right. But let's look at some numismatic old world coins as we've been every morning. Here's a Germany, guys, another Germany, 1917. We've got a few of these, but I'm just kind of going through them every morning, what we got. And but nice coins. We're going to take some over to Raven this morning and have him look at them, see what he thinks. Very, very, very nice 1917 world coin, and I'm sure the grandkids will love these, guys. This is primarily why I've gotten these, because I do love history, and I want to teach others about this history in the world and teach our grandkids as I continue to learn myself. So we're trying to do about 4 of them every day. Makes the videos a little long. But here's one that we got. It's Hong Kong, everybody. It's Hong Kong. That's actually pretty cool. 19, looks like 1997. But it's a little bit, quite a bit later, but it's still, I wanted to show this to you because it's still a really, it's actually a very cool coin, very beautiful coin. It's not really anything too special, but it's still very, very nice. 1997. Got to remember that, guys. It's almost 30 years old. So still a very cool coin. And let's check out another Australia. Everybody in Australia, your coins, guys, are amazing. I love kangaroos. Love them to death. 1942. That's World War II, guys. 1942. Beautiful coin. I love this, man. Look at the colors on this coin, the detail on this coin. And of course, it's just absolutely beautiful, in my opinion. Some of you say, hey, there's nothing special about that. But guess what? If it's yours, it's always special, right? So there will be lots of questions by the grandkids asking about these coins, everybody. And our last one, Switzerland, everybody. We do have a lot of viewers in Switzerland. Here's a Switzerland 1944. Once again, can't pronounce that. We've shown a couple of these, and I think I've got a few more, but very nice coins, guys. These are all really, with the exception of a few of them that I've looked through, all these coins that we've gotten in are very, very nice. They're very special to me, whether they're worth $1 or whether they're worth hundreds of dollars. They're still special to me, and these will be passed on to grandkids as well. So that being said, everybody, got a little bit of silver, got a little bit of gold, got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We got a little bit of fake gold too, just for our beautiful setup on our St. Patty's Day coming up, guys. So everything's beautiful. We're having a great time, everybody. We will see you tomorrow, and hopefully we get to see some people at the gun show. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. Heavenly Father, thank you for our viewers, our subscribers. Thank you for giving us this kind of stuff on this earth. It was put there for us. Let us concentrate on the 80% we have and not the 20% we don't. SSC, I'm out, guys.